Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Navigating health, a dialogue between doctor and patient. Imagine you are in a hospital. I'm doctor. You're patient. Let's start. Good morning. How are you feeling today? I'm doing well, thank you. So, how have you been since our last appointment?
I see. Have you been getting enough sleep? Eating well?
I understand. Let's delve into this a bit more. How would you describe the headaches? Are they sharp or dull? Do they occur at specific times of the day? And have you noticed any triggers that seem to bring on these headaches? Stress can definitely exacerbate headaches. Let's work on finding some strategies to manage your stress levels. Have you tried any relaxation techniques, like deep breathing or meditation?
Great! I'll also recommend some over-the-counter pain relievers for the headaches, and we can monitor your progress over the next few weeks. If they persist, we may need to consider further testing.
You're welcome. Remember, your health is our top priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.